everybody, it's Isabella. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back from New York for my 21st birthday. I had a whole trip. It was so much fun. If you were not able to catch up while I was on the trip, I've been posting so much stuff, hence all the photos on the screen. So if you guys missed it, here is your little tidbit. But I did a good amount of shopping as per usual, as the Persian princess does. I do a ton of shopping. And I had a blast in New York. Not only was the food and the company amazing, the shopping experience was also amazing. So I have some items, some clothing, some jewelry, some just really fun stuff I cannot wait to show you guys in today's video. If you're new and it's your first time watching me, I would absolutely love if you would stick around, subscribe, click that bell, watch me for a very long time, and follow my Instagram and TikTok. I post fashion, faith, and lifestyle content, and I would love to have you join me. If I can link anything that I purchased, I will have it down below in the description box, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so we're gonna first start off with the biggest item that I purchased, which is this beautiful little Prada bag. I actually did a full-on unboxing that I just posted like 2 days ago. So if you guys wanna watch a more like detailed, in-depth kind of, I guess, unboxing on this bag, then you can watch it. I will link it down below and throw it up here on the screen. So watch that if you're interested. But I'm still gonna show you guys what I got. I get myself a bag every single year for my birthday, and this year it just happened to be Prada. I have been really wanting something from the crystal kind of line, and I saw this bag. I fell in love with the shape, the color, and also the material. And it's my first bag in this certain shape, color, and material, so it's a really exciting purchase. And I got it at the Broadway Prada store, and it was just a great experience. Yvonne was so helpful in helping me out, and I just really liked that store. It was nice and big on the inside. I just enjoyed it a lot. And here we go for the unboxing. I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna be really like pleased with this decision. Yay! Alright guys, here she is. She is very unique, definitely a bag that I don't have. This is the triangle kind of shape, and I think the color is aqua. Although I consider this to be more of like a mint green. It has a Saffiano leather strap right here, and it has the crystal embellishments throughout the bag. It's kind of giving me like Tinkerbell vibes, and when I saw it, I was like, this bag is perfect for spring, summer, and fall here in Florida. And I just looked at it and I was like, this is the bag for me on my 21st. So very happy about it. It fits my full phone and a card holder and a lip gloss, so everything I would need for a night out or for dinner out or something like that. Really nicely made, and I also really love the satin interior in here. It's just a beautiful bag. I feel like this kind of bag does need a little bit extra care though, so you're gonna have to be really careful with it so that the crystals don't pop off. But I know it's not made cheaply, so I know that probably won't happen, but I just gotta be more careful with this. That is the very first thing I picked up for this video. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to style her on Instagram with some outfits, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you follow me. So we actually in Orlando just recently opened up an Aritzia store, which is very exciting. But when I was in New York, it was my first time in an Aritzia store, and I went a little crazy because I love Aritzia. So I'm gonna actually do like a try on portion for you guys of the clothing items that I picked up. And I also have an Instagram reel up and a TikTok up of all of these pieces. But let's get into it. So actually in New York, one of the days, it was so cold. It was like 60 degrees, which isn't really that cold, but it was windy, and that's what made it really cold. So I needed a jacket because your girl was bare. I was bare in a dress, and I needed a jacket during the day and for at night. So I picked up this blazer because I knew I'd get use out of it besides just wearing it like during the day. This is the Babaton Atelier blazer. I have it in a size 2. I don't know how the sizing runs on this, honestly, but it fits me really well. It's nice and oversized. This is a nice blazer, really nice material. It isn't too long, but it's not too short. I feel like it's just like a perfect length, and I have one from Beginning Boutique that I also really love, and it's a totally different style blazer. So I feel like both are essential and good ones to have in your little blazer collection. I really just like love the material of this and the quality of it. And since it was cold, I was also scrambling to find dresses that had like a really nice kind of warmth to them. And although I didn't end up wearing them, I'm still gonna wear these here in Florida, so who cares? Decided to get them anyways. But this is the Babaton dress. I'm not sure of the exact cut. Just kidding, I am. Sculpt knit racer in the shade Coffee Bean. Have it in a size medium. These dresses are cute, they're flattering. I tried this on and I was like, oh my gosh, my hips look so good. I love the Babaton material. I wear the little sculpt knit tanks all the time, and I really enjoy them. So I just knew that this dress would be something I would love. I love this dark espresso color, and it is just perfect. Great for really any time of the year, but maybe not for like the mid-summer during Florida. But I feel like other than that, it's good. And it's still cute for a going out dress, great length, it's still short, but it also would make you feel a little warm. So I got the TNA cozy shorts. These are the mid-weight fleece ones. Got them in the shade Juniper Green and they're a size large. They are the cozy perfect shorts and these fit me so well. I love them, y'all know this is my favorite color. So I just had to get them in this green and I love them. Perfect with a little sculpt knit tank or a little bra, get out the door. I like them. I mean, I feel like I'm definitely gonna get more of these shorts in different colors because I just enjoy them. Like they're just a vibe, okay? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these pants. So these are the Publish high-rise flare pants in the size 10. They're still the Babaton material and they're the shade Birch. Now these are what you call flattering pants that are also dressy, but you can dress down, and they're like business casual vibes. I've honestly been looking for a pair similar to these and I'm very glad that I found them. I love this color, the size 10. It's perfect for me and my big bum, and I love them. And they smell like so good and fresh. So they are a little bit tighter in the hip/butt area and they kind of flare out just a little going past your knee, and that's why I enjoy them. You can wear them with boots, with sneakers, just so many ways to wear them. And a blazer with this, so cute. This is the sculpt knit cross dress, also in a size medium, and it's the same material as that brown one I just showed you, except this one has a really nice cross feature at the top. It goes like this, and it's like a stark white, like this is some stark colored white right here. I think the top of it really dresses the dress up and it just makes it not super plain. It adds a little bit of funness to it. Is that a word, funness? But it's a great fabric still and I love this dress. And on to my last two items from Aritzia. I actually wore this one right here in this photo with my cousin, and it's such a great everyday dress. I feel like ever since I've gotten long hair, my extensions, I'm like really heavily into long dresses because I feel like it just looks so good with long hair. So I've continued to buy really long dresses, and this is just another added to the collection. This is going to be the Chase dress in the shade black. It's also still the Babaton material. So I have this color. It is just great. I have it in a size medium, which is perfect, and it hugs really nicely around my waist and it has a slit on the left leg, which really opens up the dress and makes it really fun and flirty. And the material isn't as tight as the other Babaton dresses that I just showed you. It's a more soft material, but it's still lined without lining, and I really enjoy it. Really cute for dressing up or dressing down. Easy dress. And I also picked it up in the black color because when I like something, I don't just buy it in one color or two colors. If they have three, I'll buy it. I just liked having something I really feel comfortable in multiple colors. So another little random piece that I picked up on the trip is this bracelet from sometimes my words cannot formulate. Little Words Project, and I picked this up I think in Soho, and it's just this really cute bracelet that says good energy on it. Has an evil eye, which we love, and yeah, this is just something really random I picked up. Also my nail. This happened the night before my birthday. I was super mad about this, but yeah, I don't know, it's just cute. Nice like little reminder to have good energy and be surrounded by people that have good energy and good intentions. And my birthday gift from my cousin, although she got me many gifts, one of the gifts she's got me was getting zapped, which if you don't know what that is, it's getting a forever bracelet that it literally weld onto your hand. And yeah, it's from the original place in New York called Catbird, and it looks like this. We picked out the chain that we wanted, and it literally has no ending, no beginning, and it's not gonna come off. And it's kind of just like a symbol of our friendship and also my 21st birthday. That was her gift to me, and I really love it. Like, it's just so cute. And then we also got this bracelet. I was telling my cousin, this has been my birthday of jewelry. I have one more thing to show you guys, but it's been like my year of nice jewelry, and I feel like the older I've gotten, the more I want of like quality items, and so I'm really excited about all this jewelry. We got this bracelet from this little boutique called Soul Sister. Well, it says Soul Sister, and it just is like beaded, has like pretty like pink and red, and it's just cute. It's just another thing to add to my wrist with my good energy bracelet. I really love like the worded bracelets. I think they're fun. All right, moving on to my very last purchase. Dun, 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 dun. This was done. This damage was done in the Cartier store at the Hudson Yards location inside of like the little shopping mall they have there. They also have an Aritzia. They also have like a Dior. They have a Fendi. They have so many stores, and I decided that since this was the year of jewelry for me, I wanted to get a really nice piece of jewelry that was gonna last me until I literally die. So I did that. And in here, really all I have is like the ring box and just like the certification of the item and all that fun stuff. But I actually have the piece on me right now and it's on my hand. I don't want to flick you guys off, but that's not what I'm trying to do, but I just got the classic love ring. This is so beautiful. I just got it in the gold shade. We figured out my size so it would fit, and then I just decided to get it because, again, it's the year of jewelry for me and I love it. I think it's gorgeous, and it replaced my little Christian Dior fashion jewelry that I had. Ended up turning like bronze on me. So yeah, I'm very excited about this little ring action right here. I love me some electrolytes. But yeah, this was the very last thing that I decided to buy. So I had like two like really big purchases, and then obviously the Aritzia stuff was like pretty good priced, although I got 20% off because of their sale. But still, I spent a good amount of money, but it was a great trip. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little quote of the day, which is always so exciting, and it says, you don't have to be like him or her, you just have to be yourself, you're already enough. And I think a lot of people need to realize that there's no need in trying to copy or even just be someone else or whatever, or wish you were someone else. There's no need for that, because why? I mean, you as a person are already so strong, so beautiful, and so capable, and someone wishes they were in your position, so why are you wishing you were in someone else's position? You know, like someone's already looking up to you, but you want to be someone else, but you have people looking up to you. You know what I mean? So just like be yourself, love yourself, and be who you are. And that is it for my little New York City shopping spree haul. If you guys were new and you guys did like this video, thumbsing it up would be super helpful for me, and also subscribing and clicking that bell. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Stay happy, stay positive. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye guys.